In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio loudness. If you've ever watched a video where one clip is whisper quiet and the next feels way too loud, normalization is the fix that brings everything to a consistent, comfortable level. We'll do this in CapCut, and I'll keep things simple so you can follow along even if you're just getting started. Begin by opening CapCut on your computer. You can create a new project or open an existing one. Either works. The key is to have your timeline ready so you can see and hear the clips you want to adjust. Next, add your video to the project. If it isn't already there, import the file and place it on the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to normalize is selected. This is important because CapCut shows clip-specific settings only when a clip is highlighted. You'll know it's selected when it's outlined on the timeline. Now move your attention to the right side of the screen. This is the Properties or Inspector panel, where CapCut groups most of the adjustment options. If you don't see it, try clicking the clip again or expanding the panel area. You should see sections related to both video and audio. We're interested in the audio controls for the selected clip. Look for the option labeled Normalize Loudness and turn it on. The moment you enable this, CapCut analyzes the audio in your clip and automatically evens out the perceived volume. In plain terms, quieter parts are brought up and overly loud peaks are gently pulled down, so your audience hears a steady, consistent level from start to finish. This helps dialogue sit clearly in the mix and prevents sudden jumps that can be jarring, especially for viewers wearing headphones. Press play and listen through a portion of your clip before and after toggling the normalization. You should notice fewer spikes and dips in volume without losing the natural character of the voice or the scene. If the result sounds a bit too strong, pause and toggle it off to compare, then turn it back on to confirm what you prefer. For projects with multiple clips, repeat this process on each one you want to balance, so your entire timeline feels cohesive. That's all you need to do. By opening CapCut, adding your video, heading to the right panel, and enabling Normalize Loudness, you're giving your audio a quick professional polish that makes your content easier and more pleasant to watch.